Hey, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, I'm doing a little twist on one of my favorite simple Italian dishes. Now, that dish is pasta e ceci, but instead of using chickpeas, I'm going to be making pasta e fagiolini with fresh green beans. Really simple to make, the flavor is outstanding, and it's just this wonderful rustic pasta dish. Check it out. All right, I've got some green beans here, some fresh green beans. I'm cutting the stem side off. You don't have to cut the pointy side off. I'm gonna cut those in half just to make them a little bit easier to eat. And I'm gonna take the core, just the top little bit, out of some paste tomatoes. I'm using about 3 paste tomatoes. And I'm gonna cut those into big chunks. Then I'm gonna take 1 clove of garlic. You could add more than 1 clove if that's how you want to do it. I just used 1, but 2 or 3 would be great too if you like it garlicky. And some pecorino romano cheese. Again, you could use Parmesan if the pecorino is a little strong for you. So I'm sauteing up my green beans rather, and that just takes a couple minutes, like 3 or 4 minutes. Then I'm going to add my spice mix. Check out my website, you can see what the spice blend is. Came out really well. Let the spice mix sit for a minute, and then add the paste tomatoes and garlic. And with that, you're just trying to like cook the tomatoes, just warm them, not really cook them down. I'm gonna take my pasta, add cheese, add about a half a cup of reserved pasta water, then add in the tomatoes and the beans, and mix it up, and you are good to go. All right, wasn't that simple? Pasta's done. I think I'm gonna add a little black pepper and some fresh salt. Good amount of salt. Really makes the flavors pop. Let's give this a try. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that is so rich and so good. Mmm. So it doesn't have to be complicated to be super delicious. This dish is a great example of that. Try it out. Believe me, you're gonna like it. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good.